Hi everyone, it's Steve here again from Sure Trading, and coming to you with another one of our daily trading videos where we trade what we call the range breakout strategy on the 1 hour chart of the US 500 or S&P 500. As always, we're trading on the Velocity Trader platform. If you'd like to get a demo of the Velocity Trader platform or start trading live, you can find the links in the description below this video. So after a nice winning day yesterday, let's see what today brings. As you can see, I've plotted my range, which is from the midnight candle all the way to the 8 o'clock candle, which is this one, the highs and lows of those two. So we've got a range of about 224 Rand per contract. So let's place our orders. First, let's do an order to go short. Put that below the range. The range is at 4474, so I'll put my order at 4472. So let's put that there. And my order to go long, I'll put at 4490.75 ish, because that's $2 above. So there we have our two orders in. And now we just set our stop losses and take profits. Firstly, take profits are at 500 Rand. On either side. So let's just have a look to see where those are in relation to the previous price action. They're both at sort of levels of support and resistance. And then also very importantly, the stop losses, which we put halfway through the range. So this one to the other side of the range is 260, so I'll put it at 130. 134 should be fine. And similarly, to the other side of the range is 240, 250 odd. So I'll put it at about 125, which is about there, yeah. So there we have all our orders in the market. Order to go short, order to go long. And I don't want to predict what it's going to be doing. So let's wait and see which order triggers later on during the day. Okay, it's now 4 minutes past 10. I just came back to look and see what happened when the 10 o'clock candle opened, and I noticed that I have been triggered into a long position. So let's have a look, see what time it happened. 9:39 is when it triggered, and we're currently sitting at 91 Rand, 95 Rand profit. So it's looking pretty decent for the moment. Let's go have a look at the 5-minute chart, see what it's doing. Yeah, in the last 10 minutes or so, we've had a nice, strong up move. But we're trading on the 1 hour chart, so focus on that. And yeah, as you can see, it's looking pretty decent at the moment. And we'll keep you posted to show you what happens. In the meantime, I'm going to close my order to go short for now, and if we get stopped out, I might replace my short order, but for now let's focus on the long position that we are in. Okay, so it's 4 p.m. It's been quite slow this afternoon. I thought maybe on the 3 o'clock candle or at 3:30 when the American market opened that it would spike up and take profit, but it didn't quite do that yet. So we're still in the trade, but because the trade has now, because we over halfway to our profit target, as you can see, we just over 250 Rand profit, and the new candles opened, so the opening of this candle was more than halfway to our take profit. I'm going to place my stop loss on break even, just so that it becomes a risk-free trade. So hopefully now that the American markets are open and there's more volatility, hopefully we'll go up towards our take profit. As you can see, since the market opened, it's been pretty up and down, but hopefully it continues upwards towards our take profit. Okay, it's now just before 4:57, and as you can see, unfortunately we got stopped out. Luckily we put our stop loss at break even, so we only lost 9 Rand and 6 cents in that trade. Now what I'm going to do is, because we're back into the range, I'm going to place an order to go short in case it goes down below through the bottom of the range again. So the distance to the other side of the range is 270, so it's about 135. Let's say 144, 140, that's the middle, and then the take profit will be down here again. So let's see what happens if it goes through the bottom of the range again and we enter a short, and we'll keep you posted on that one. Okay, so it's 6:10. I'm still on the 21st of April. It looks like we made a good choice by putting our stop loss on break even on the previous trade, because it stopped us out and then went straight through where our stop loss would have been, and then went through the bottom of the range and triggered our short, which we're currently in, and we're doing pretty decently, with a profit of 259 Rand at this moment. So hopefully this one will go all the way and hit our take profit and end the day in some nice profit. If at the end of this candle we are further than halfway towards our take profit, so i.e. over 250 Rand profit, I will then also move my stop loss to break even like I did in the previous trade. But we'll have to wait and see what happens when this candle closes at 7 o'clock. So we'll see you then. Okay, it's 7:04. I was actually coming to my computer to move my stop loss to break even if I needed to, and then I realized that I had hit my take profit. So that happened very recently. It happened at 7:03, so literally 2 minutes ago. Yeah, as you can see, broke out of the range there at the bottom, and a nice almost direct move straight to our take profit. After this morning's or this afternoon's break even trade, it was good that we got into a second trade and reached our take profit. That just shows that when you have a loss, or when you have a trade that doesn't work out as well as you planned, it's important to always take the next opportunity if it arises, because you can make back what you've lost. So that leaves our total today, because we lost 9 Rand in our previous trade, which was the break-even trade, Obviously there was a bit of slippage, so we lost 9 Rand and 6 cents, and we gained 505 Rand and 51 cents. So our total for the day is 496 Rand and 45 cents profit. All in all, a good trading day. If we hadn't taken the second trade, it wouldn't have been that great, but we did, and it turned out great. So that's it for me today, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Cheers.